Here's what you can do in order to update apps on iPhone 16e. So what you can do is go to the App Store, and if you go to the top right corner to tap on the profile, you will open the account details, and if there are any new updates waiting for you, then they will be listed over here below personalized recommendations. So here you will have the list of different apps. You will be able to scroll down in order to choose which apps you want to update. You can also simply search for an update by entering the name of the app, and if there is an update button, like as you can see over here, then we can press on it in order to update the app pretty quickly. And what I can recommend doing also is go to the settings, scroll all the way down to choose apps, then go to App Store, and you can, for example, allow app updates over here so that your iPhone will automatically install new app updates when there are waiting for apps to be updated. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!